Let's take a look at the aliases now. So what we can do in SQL is we can rename these columns. We don't have to have these columns. Say if we was doing a report for someone, say the columns headers don't really mean much information. They're just codes rather than actual written out names like here, like country and relationship. You can work with some databases where the columns, they wouldn't make sense to the end user because they're not familiar with the table. So in this case, we could say select the customer code, and we can say as here, and we could just say ID, for example, and it's just going to return it as ID instead. We could also change something like, let's bring in the total spend as, and we can add spaces, but to add spaces we have to have this in place first. So we can now call it total space spend. And if we bring that back, it's going to bring that back. But if I didn't have these here, it would not let me do it. So you have to make sure if you have a space, you have those there.